Hey y'all, we're fixing to run what we call a rooftop fillet weld, and the settings for that we're going to run for a 3/32 70/18. Got the power on, double check, make sure my electrode is hooked up to the positive side, so I'll be on reverse polarity or DCEP. And we're going to soften that arc up a little bit. I'm going to work anywhere from 0 to maybe a soft 2 or 3. Usually works pretty good for me. I like to have my hot start on. And for that 3/32 70/18, I'm probably going to be somewhere just a little touch under 100 amps, 90, 95 amps, somewhere in that ballpark. Sometimes you have to do a little trial and error, make minor adjustments after you get started. So let's do it. Alright, I want you to look. Rod angle's almost straight up and down. And technique wise, this is really almost just like vertical. For me, with this 70/18, even though it's a stringer, I'm going to do just a little bit of a side-to-side motion. Y'all look there and see that pair of clamps. I got my pinky. That's just helping steady me up a little bit. The more steady you are, always get comfortable and be as steady as you can. There, you can see a little bit of that side-to-side motion. And since we're trying to keep these videos short and right down to it, we're not going to worry about running them all the way to the end every time. So we're going to get steady, get comfortable, get where I can see it. One of the key things for this is you've got to be looking up under that. You got to get your head down where you're looking up at that puddle to really get a good view of it. A little bit of that side-to-side motion. It's not much, but just a little bit. And y'all see my prop there. I got my hand steady up. And I don't care how old you are, you still like to see that slag fall off when it can run. So that's just a welder thing for you. Same prop, same, pretty much straight up and down. 5 degrees one way or the other is not going to make a big difference on this. And so here we're doing our second bead on the second pass. Trying to make sure we tie into the wall good, and I want to cover that other pass up halfway. So a little bit of a side-to-side motion, just a little pause on each edge, and there we have it. So there's a 2-pass 70/18 rooftop stringers. Thanks for watching, and y'all let us know if you need anything.